Hello! Another episode from my channel. This time dito ulit tayo sa Cebu. I'll be showing you the Philippine Taoist Temple. I know it looks good at makikita nyo naman sa video. However, this will be relatively short as this is a real and actual temple. It looks like a place in China or those that you can see in anime or animated films. Kasi maganda talaga siya. The structural design and integrity is really on par internationally. However, this is a sacred place. Of course, kahit hindi tayo Taoist, the respect is there. I won't be able to show everything on this video kasi they have rules that we have to respect and follow. Temples with saints or where prayers are given must not be taken with any photo or video. Kaya yung mapapakita ko lang talaga are areas that are allowed to be shown from the outside view or yung pinakalabas lang. With that out of the way, please enjoy.
He's a dragon.
Again, I appreciate you all as my viewers. If you love my content, consider subscribing. See you on the next adventure. Ciao!